whew, it's not even that cold. I'm like, where's the camera? It's not even that cold out right now. It's 62. I mean, I guess it's a little, you know, fall weatherish, but man, I'm so cold this morning. So, it's Sunday once again. Oh my God, there's a huge horsefly on... Okay, well, I totally missed that. There was a huge horsefly on my mirror over here, and I was trying to show you guys, but it stopped recording. But anyhow, I gotta get going. I already have my seatbelt on. Totally forgot. Because I want to stop by Starbucks again before I go to church. I think, at least until I run out of this gift card, maybe I'll do that. Treat myself on Sundays. Treat yourself. I filmed a makeup look today on this makeup that I'm rocking. It's my third look with the Urban Decay Born to Run palettes. And I told you guys I was just going to film 4 looks with that palette, but I think I'm going to actually end up filming 5 because there were 5 full weeks in the month of September. But anyway, like today's devotional, because I've been reading through the Bible in 1 year, and just in today's passages that I read, I just really felt like God was just really revealing to me, which, I mean, I know that I struggle with this, and it's like I just get in my head, you know, and I just get in my own way. So I asked God this morning to like really help me to overcome those feelings of just feeling like inferior, or just feeling like I'm not, I don't know, like good enough. I wouldn't say I have like full-blown body dysmorphia. Maybe that's me like being in denial, but sometimes I can just be like so hard on my physical appearance, and I don't understand why I have such an issue with it, but I've always kind of struggled with it, and it's something that I really feel like God's trying to help me like work through. But I tell you what, it's just the hardest thing to overcome. And I mean, I know a lot of it's my own mental standards that I put on myself, and other parts of it is just like society and the way that media, like, oh, you should look like this or blah blah blah. Even though I know that the media is doing that and that it's unrealistic for the average person, it's still hard to mentally overcome that hurdle. The only way that I'm gonna overcome this stuff is to like face my fears, ask God to help me get through this, and honestly to like share my struggles with you guys, because everybody struggles with these things. Like, you think that you're alone in your struggles, but so many other people struggle with. I guess what I'm trying to say is, if you struggle with body image issues, like, just know you're not alone. And even like the people that you see out there with what you think are the perfect bodies, like, they still struggle just like everybody else struggles. Sometimes we think that God doesn't really care about those surface things that you struggle with, but like, He cares, because you know, that's part of you, and He wants you to like not feel that way, you know?
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. My name is Rachel. What can I get started for you today?
Can I get a grande pumpkin cream cold brew?
Alrighty, grande pumpkin cream cold brew. Anything else for you today?
Can I get a piece of the pumpkin bread?
Sure, you want it warmed up today?
No thanks.
Alrighty, anything else?
That'll be it.
8:53, I'll see you up at the window.
Alright, thanks. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Do, 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 do. Basic, basic white chick. Back to last week, whenever I was talking about like not feeling inspired for YouTube, I was really disappointed in the beauty community. Like, I just feel like over the years it's just become just like this big drama situation, and like the really big channels, I mean, not all of the big channels like are drama channels, but I just feel like people are so nasty and so ugly to each other, and it's just such a horrible like example for others to live their life. I don't know. I've unsubscribed from so many like large YouTube channels because of that. It just makes you feel bad about how other people treat other people. I don't know. So I think that was another reason why I just was like uninspired to film like beauty videos and YouTube videos, just because I don't want to ever like have my channel viewed in that way, which I mean, I know you guys know I'm not like a drama person or anything like that, but just like really turns you off. I need to focus on like more positive things, because even talking about drama channels, like it brings you down. But I'm looking forward to today, because after church I'm gonna go out to lunch with my family, and the weather, it seems like it's gonna be another perfect day today. I know that like I checked the weather and it said that it was going to be cloudy, but there is not a cloud in the sky, so I think that was not accurate. Get my mask ready. I love this little mask. It's so cute. I just wish that this was a little bit bigger, because I have another mask from the same company that I really like, because it's just big. I'm trying to like stretch this out. It's not big, but it just fits your face like better. It doesn't feel so tight on your face. This one here, I think it's just like the material maybe is like more stretchy. Yeah, I think that's what it is. This material is just so much more stretchy than this other one. Ignore my car. Get my mask up, get it up.
Hi, it's gonna be 8:53.
Thank you.
And do you want to do you use straw for this?
No thanks.
And your balance should be at the bottom.
Alright, thank you.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Okay. Got my Starbucks. Maybe I should have pulled over to eat it, but whatever. It should be okay. I feel like that took longer than normal. It's already 10:10. Well, the line was really long there, so I am sure that didn't help. Dang, the pumpkin bread is so good. I hope you guys have enjoyed my little car chat today. And I'm getting ready to get onto the expressway, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.